What is gluten? Gluten is the name for the elastic proteins in some grains, specifically gliadin and glutenin, which are found in wheat. Gluten also exists in rye, barley, spelt, farro, and other forms of ancient wheat. The elasticity and strength of these unique proteins is what makes pizza dough stretchy. If you think of that iconic image of someone throwing pizza above his head before he puts it in the oven, that's not going to happen in a gluten-free pizza dough. Gluten also gives the wonderful structure that creates the air holes we associate with a French baguette. And gluten is why bagels are so chewy. For those of us who have celiac disease and other disorders, which gluten is the cause, gluten is a toxin. My body reads it like a poison has come in and attacks itself. Celiac is an autoimmune disorder. It means that if I tried to eat these donuts or this lovely croissant, I would probably end up in the hospital with the pain. Even an eighth of a teaspoon of gluten is enough to make me really sick for 5 days. Now, I can cook in my own home and I'm fine, but try going out into the world and go to a coffee shop and see if you can get anything other than this croissant. It's hard to find. You know, it's a big office party, we're celebrating the project is done. What does your manager do? He brings in a big box of donuts. Well, I guess there's nothing for you to drink but tap water. It's really hard to be gluten-free in this culture sometimes. And that's why if you can take control of this and learn to bake your own baked goods, you don't need gluten at all anyway.